Okay, so for our last calculation, let's go ahead and find our t-value. So we just have to plug our values into this formula. So our mean for group 1 is this value here of 23.67. And then we have our mean for group 2, which is 25.67. And that is going over our standard error of the mean for group 1, which is 0.69. That's going to be squared, plus our standard error of the mean for group 2, which is also 0.69, and that's squared, minus 2 times our R value of 0.58 times our standard error of the mean for group 1, 0.69, and then our standard error of the mean for group 2, which is 0.69. Okay, there we go, and then we are just going to square root all of that. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So when we are subtracting these, we can just go ahead and ignore the negative sign. So we're just going to put a 2 up there. And then when we square 0.69, that is going to give us 0.48 plus 0.48. And then we're just going to go ahead and do these one at a time. So let's start out with this one. So let's take 2 and multiply that by 0.58. And that is going to give us 1.16. And then we're going to multiply that by 0.69. And then 0.69. Okay. Then let's go ahead and add these two together. So 0.48 and 0.48 is going to give us 0.96. And then let's go ahead and do these two right here. So we're going to multiply 1.16 by 0.69. And that is going to give us 0.80, and then we're going to multiply that by 0.69 and square root all of that. Got a lot of extra room here. Okay, so lastly, let's do these two here. So we'll have 2 over 0.96 minus, and then we're going to multiply 0.80 times 0.69, and that is going to give us 0.55. Okay, so when we subtract these two, then we will have 2 over 0.41. And then when we square root that out, we will have 2 over 0.64. Then finally divide that out, and we will have 3.13. So our t-value is going to be 3.13. Okay, lastly, let's go ahead and see if our calculated t-value is high enough for us to reject HO. So we are going to go ahead and plug our degrees of freedom in here. We found that out earlier, so that is 5 for our degrees of freedom. So paired T is typically two-tail, so you're going to use table C in the back of your book, and we are going to go down to degrees of freedom for 5. And so for the 0.05 level, it looks like we have 2.571, and then for the 0.01 level, we have 4.032. Okay, so let's take our t value of 3.13. Is that greater than 2.571? Yes, it is. Is 3.13 greater than 4.032? No. So since we were able to reject here at the 0.05 level, that means that we reject HO. Okay? And then if you wanted to put that into sentence form, put your results into a sentence, it would be read as, there is a significant difference in potassium levels after consuming orange juice. Congratulations, you guys just did paired T. Good job.